Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to cut a video in CapCut on PC. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Cutting a video in CapCut PC is straightforward once you know where the playhead and split controls are. First, import your video by dragging and dropping the file from the media panel into the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Then click on the clip to make sure it's selected. You'll see it highlighted with a border. Next, click and drag the white vertical playhead line to the exact frame where you want to make your cut. The fastest way to cut at the playhead position is to press Ctrl-B on your keyboard, which instantly splits the clip into two separate pieces right at that point in the timeline. After splitting, you can click on the unwanted segment and press Delete to remove it, or drag either piece to a new position in your edit. This is the go-to method when you want to cut out a section in the middle of your footage. If you want to remove content from the beginning or end of a clip without splitting it, use the trim handles instead, by hovering your mouse over the very left or right edge of the clip in the timeline until the cursor changes to a resize icon. Then click and drag inward to shorten that end of the clip. This is quicker for removing a few extra seconds at the start or end of a recording, and it keeps the timeline cleaner, since it doesn't leave behind extra clip segments that you'd need to delete separately. That's all it takes to cut and trim videos in CapCut on PC. Let me know in the comments what type of editing tutorial you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.